Okay, what we have here is a Husqvarna 365, just been rebuilt. I used a OEM 372 cylinder kit on it. This is a one ring piston. I put in new crank bearings, put in new crank seals, did a carburetor kit, made sure everything was up and ready. I just put a new bar and chain on it. I've been adjusting the carburetor, and I could also rebuild a Johnson Red 2165 or a 2171 or a 2070 using the same cylinder kit, and my fees for this is $450 plus half of the shipping. You ship it to me without the bar and chain, and I ship it back to you without a bar and chain. They run really nice with the 372 OEM cylinder in it. This saw's already been started a little bit ago. I am going to restart it now and go make some cuts with it. Well, I can't complain about how that cuts. That was a chunk of dry oak. It's been sitting around for a couple of years. I've been cutting on and off on it. So this is Simonian saw service, and that's a 365. I thank you much for your time. Bye bye.